Painting is a powerful expression of one's beliefs, and in Mumbai, a group of women who call themselves Rasta Chhap are using the medium of the paintbrush to save Mumbai's receding greens. How? Well, by painting the stumps of the dead rain trees. Nikhil Narayan Shivdas caught up with the members of the Rasta Chhap group.
Walk across Juhu these days and you're likely to come across many trees such as this one, brilliantly colored and painted. But it's not just an art project. It's actually a movement called Rasta Chhap, which aims to spread awareness about the need to save trees and prevent excessive concretization.
And it raises a lot of awareness. Like when we painted this, there were tons of people that came up and asked us and helped us out.
I thought that it's our responsibility as the future generation to give back to nature in any way possible.
To begin with, Rasta Chhap, how did this movement or this organization come about?
It's basically art with a purpose. We realize that somewhere art always has a way of telling a story and tugs at people's hearts. And that's how we formed Rasta Chhap. We called it that because we wanted a very colloquial, ethnic-looking name, a name which everyone can relate to, whether it is the young or the old.
If you're walking past a dead tree, you would not notice it until it is painted, and you'll see, why is this thing painted, a tree right in the middle of a road painted. So when you see it painted is when you'll realize it is dead. That's why it is painted. So people should notice how many trees are dead, and so that's why we are painting them, and so we have to do something about them to stop them from dying.
You have to get the canvas ready. So we first sandpaper it in order to give it a smooth palette, and then we primer it. So primering is giving it a base. So you give it like a white base, so the artist that comes can play around with their vision, play with colors, and work on it in any beautification way that they want.
Why these trees are dying is because they are becoming weak. They're becoming weak because there is no space to breathe. Now the BMC contractor, when the road guy goes to get a road contract, he is paid separately for embankments. A tree that has no road, so I'm sure he must be giving a large list of trees to get a higher budget to make his road. So when he's got that higher budget, when he's getting paid separately the embankment, why isn't the embankment not being done? Our whole effort right now is actually get the attention of the MC and to municipal commissioner and to tell him, now this is something which he has to take on at a war footing. Second thing is, can we as citizens go out there and file FIRs against whom we tell us? The BMC, the road contractor, because somebody has to be told that this cannot go on.
Going ahead, how do you expect to expand this movement? How do you expect to draw more attention to your cause?
Actually, the painting of the trees has really drawn a lot of attention to us. I've been getting phone calls continuously for people who want to do work, but they don't know how to go about it. So what we really want is now, if people who've called us, there's somebody called me and said, Hasnabag Lane in Santa Cruz is really bad, and can you help us with that? So I spoke to him, I said, I'll meet you. I would like you to form a group of your own. Yeah, and under Rasta Chhap, we will guide you through the process. We'll get you the permissions. We'll tell you how to go about it. I think the BMCs are very helpful, but they need some support from us. And as citizens, we need to take cognizance of at least our area.
Going ahead, do you think your movement will inspire more action being taken on the cause?
We have 40 volunteers today who are ready to paint for us, who are ready to, probably do recce's for us, who are ready to tell us what is the state of the trees on their road. And eventually we think that even if one or two people come forward to adopt a tree just in their lane, just opposite their homes, that's all it takes.
If there are more people out there who are watching this right now and they want to basically get in touch, maybe not to form their own group, maybe to even join your group, or even to just get suggestions, what's your advice to them in terms of contacting you?
They can contact us on our Facebook page, Rasta Chhap, and write us comments on our Facebook page so we can get back to them.
From Mumbai, Nikhil Narayan Shivdas, NDTV.